Hello students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, which is services in the neighborhood. So, first of all, what is neighborhood? Houses near our house makes a neighborhood, and services, what are services available near our here neighborhood? So those people which live nearby our house are called neighbors, and they help them when we are in need. So these are the services, and we get many types of services near in our neighborhood. So we should always be thankful to our neighbors, and we should also help them when they are in need. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Look at the picture given below carefully and mark the places you have actually seen. So here are some of the pictures given. You have to look and mark the places that we have seen. Like the first picture is of a bank. So have you seen bank? Yes, mostly you have seen. So you will tick on the bank. Likewise, you can see the remaining 3 pictures and tick on those pictures which you have seen. We live in a house with our parents. Houses near our house makes a neighborhood. People living in the neighborhood are called our neighbors. Many neighborhoods together form a town or city. तो हम अपने घर में अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं. जो भी घर हमारे आसपास होते हैं, those are called neighbors. And people living in our neighborhood are called our neighbors, and they help us when in the times of our need. Families in the neighborhood helps us in the times of need. They makes our life happy and safe. They also gives us a sense of security. So our neighbors gives a sense of security. They makes our life happy and safe. Neighbors celebrate festivals and enjoy together. Sometimes they go for picnics or fairs. Children play together and become good friends. We should be kind to our neighbors. We should help them when they need us. We should keep our neighborhood clean. We should not disturb our neighbors. So we should always keep our neighborhood clean. We should not disturb our neighbors. Neighbors celebrate festivals together and have fun. Children play with our neighbors and become good friends. And we should also help our neighbors in the times of need. Next heading is neighborhood services. So what are the services provided by the neighborhood? In our neighborhood, there are useful services. These services help us daily and ensure safety. Let us learn about a few of them. So let us learn about what type of services does our neighborhood provide us. First is post office, where we drop a letter. A person drops a letter in the letter box. The letter goes to the post office, from where it is sent to other towns and delivered by a postman. We can buy stamps, postcard, envelopes and aerograms from the post office. So, post office, what is a post office? We drop a letter and the post office sends the letter to other towns or cities, and we get a letter by a postman. We can also buy stamps, postcard, envelopes and aerograms. तो इस तरीके की चीजें भी हम पोस्ट ऑफिस से खरीद सकते हैं. Next is bank. Where do we submit our money? And the bank keeps our money safe and protected. We can keep our money and other things safe in the bank. Some banks have lockers where people keep their jewelry and other valuable items. तो बैंक एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम अपनी मनी या फिर कोई भी valuable items lockers में रखते हैं, and banks keep it safe with them and gives them in the times when we need. Next is ATM. Nowadays, all banks provide ATM services. We can use an ATM card to withdraw money from the ATM at any time. It is open for 24 hours a day, all the days of the week. तो ATM क्या है? ATM सर्विसेज आज की डेट में बैंक में सभी जगह प्रोवाइड की जाती है. इट इज ओपन 24 आवर्स अ डे इन ऑल द वीक्स ऑफ द डे. वी कैन विदड्रॉ मनी एट एनी टाइम, यानी कि हम कभी भी एटीएम से पैसे निकाल सकते हैं इन द टाइम्स व्हेन वी नीड इट. नेक्स्ट सर्विस इज हॉस्पिटल, वेयर वी गो व्हेन वी आर सिक फॉर ट्रीटमेंट. We go to the hospital when we fall sick or get hurt. Doctors and nurses treat us and look after us until we are there. A hospital has many ambulances to bring patients in emergencies. We can dial 102 for an ambulance. तो हम हॉस्पिटल में कब जाते हैं? When we fall sick sick or when we get hurt. Doctors and nurses treat us. हॉस्पिटल में बहुत सी एम्बुलेंस होती हैं पेशेंट्स को इमरजेंसीज में लाने के लिए. इन द इमरजेंसीज टाइम वी कैन डायल 102 फॉर कॉलिंग एन एम्बुलेंस. नेक्स्ट सर्विस इज पुलिस स्टेशन. The police helps catch robbers and thieves. They guard the neighbors and help people to find their lost items. The police maintain law and order in the neighborhood. We can dial 100 to call the police. So पुलिस का काम क्या होता है? What does police does? वो robbers या thieves यानी चोरों को पकड़ती है. They keep us safe and protected. They maintain law and order in our neighborhood. In the times of emergencies, we can dial on the number 100 to call the police. Next is traffic police. What does he do? He maintains the traffic on the roads. The traffic policeman directs traffic on the roads. He controls traffic. He saves us from accidents. तो ये क्या करता है ट्रैफिक पुलिस? He controls or manages traffic. He protects us or he saves us from any kind of accidents. Next is market. Where do we buy items? Many shops together makes a market. The shopkeepers in a market sell different things such as fruits, vegetables, flowers, books, breads, eggs, etc. तो बहुत सारी shops मिलकर के एक market बनाती हैं. We buy different kind of items like fruits, vegetables, eggs, stationery items from the markets. Next is fire station. When a building catches fire, we call 101 to call the fire brigade from the fire station. A fire station has firemen and fire engines. Firemen put out fires. तो fire station का काम क्या होता है? जब भी किसी building में when a building catches fire, we dial 101 to call the fire brigade from the fire station. Fire station में एक fireman होता है और fire engines होते हैं which helps to reduce fire and keeps us safe. Next is school, which is very important service for the child. It is a very important service in our neighborhood. A school helps children to gain knowledge and learn good manners. So school helps children to gain knowledge and help good manners and good habits. So it is a very important service in our neighborhood. So these all are the services provided in our neighborhoods and these are very important for everyone. Now it's the time of act and learn. Draw lines to match the tool with their helpers. So we have to match the following with the correct picture. First is gardener. First word is gardener. So you will gardener. So you will match it with option number 2 or picture number 2. Next is a doctor. What does doctor use? A stethoscope. So you will match it with option number 3. Likewise, you can do the remaining 2. I hope students you have understood the topics explained by me in this chapter. Moving to the vocabulary. First word is stamps. Small stickers we put on letters to send them. Stamps क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे stickers that we put on our letters to send them to other towns. Picnic, a fun outing with food. Picnic क्या है? एक fun outing है अपने friends या family के साथ जिसमें we mostly eat. We mostly have food. Parcel, a box or packet sent by post. Parcel is a box or packet which is sent by post office. Locker, a small safe place to keep valuable things. Locker क्या है? एक छोटी सी safe place है where we keep our valuable things like jewelry or something. Robbers, people who steal things from others. Robbers are those people who steal things from other people. यानी कि जो चीजों को चुराते हैं. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter with some of the summary points. We use an ATM card to withdraw money from the ATM at any time. So we use ATM to withdraw money at any time when we need it. We go to hospital when we are sick or fall or get hurt. So when we go to hospital when we are sick and doctors and nurses treat us there. The police helps to catch robbers and thieves and keeps us safe and protected. They also maintain law and order. Many shops together makes a market where we buy different kind of items. A school helps children to gain knowledge and learn good manners. So this is a very important service for our neighborhood. We dial 101 to call the fire brigade for the fire station in the emergency time. I hope students you have understood the chapter. Now let's do the exercises think and answer. First exercise is take the correct option. What do people living near our house make? सिटी, टाउन और नेबरहुड. तो जो भी लोग हमारे घर के आसपास होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं या वो क्या मिलकर बनाते हैं? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, नेबरहुड. हु डिलीवर्स लेटर? लेटर कौन डिलीवर करता है? फायरमैन, टीचर और पोस्टमैन. सो पोस्टमैन डिलीवर्स आवर लेटर्स. व्हाट सर्विसेज कैन बी यूज्ड टू विथड्रॉ मनी एनी टाइम? ए बैंक, बी ATM, C hospital. So we can withdraw money by ATM. Where do we go when we are sick or hurt? A hospital, B police station, or C school. So option number A, we go to hospital. What is the number to call the police in an emergency? 102, 101 or 100. So option number C is correct. Next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. We live in a house with our parents. A dash helps to catch robbers and thieves. So, police helps to catch robbers and thieves. A dash is made of many shops. Market is made of many shops. Fourth, ambulance services can be called by dialing 102. Or we can say 102. We can buy dash from post office. We can buy stamps from the post office. Moving to the next exercise. Tick for the true or cross for the false statement. First statement, a postman helps us withdraw money from the ATM. No, this is incorrect. A traffic policeman controls traffic on the road. Yes, this is true. A hospital has ambulance for emergencies. This is also true. The fire brigade helps during floods. No, this is false. Neighbors celebrate festivals and enjoy together. Yes, this statement is correct. So you will put a tick in front of them. Thank you, students. That's all for today. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class with some new chapters. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye, students.